In this video, we will show you how to create a course using 3E Course Builder Pro. Go to your dashboard and scroll down to find the Add New Course button, or click Add Course in the sidebar. Next, you will see this form with the basic information for your course. Fill it out, then click Create. Before you start creating lessons, go to the Settings section. Fill in all the course details, such as description, course duration, course requirements. Once the information is complete, you can return and easily start creating your lesson. Click on View to preview the course page as your students see it. Now that your course preview page is ready, go back and start creating sections and different types of lessons. Text lessons, audio, video, quizzes, and any other activity you'd like to include in your course. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video on how to use 3E Course Builder Pro.